In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Black Flash in Curse Battlegrounds Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. While playing as the King of Curses in Curse Battlegrounds, you will have access to the Black Flash. As you can see, it's telling us to use twice. So if you are able to press Black Flash again at a very specific moment in the animation, you will get the perfect Black Flash. And there's going to be a big animation and it's going to knock your opponent back further. So all that you have to do is line yourself up, and when you use Black Flash, your opponent is going to lean down, they're going to put their arm in the ground, and then they're going to kick the opponent. What you have to do is press Black Flash again right as your leg connects with the opponent, something like this. If you are able to get the timing down, you will see this big flash. There will be this puddle on the ground, indicating that you got the Black Flash. Your opponent is going to be knocked back further, and you will do more damage. So once again, the best way to learn the timing is going to be to join a private server and go up against a dummy. Just use Black Flash and watch your character carefully. Right as the leg connects, you have to press it. If you take too long, you aren't going to be able to get it, and if you are too slow, it's just going to do the normal Black Flash animation. So if you do it too quickly, usually you will see a message saying failed, and if you take too long, you simply aren't going to see anything special. It's just going to be the standard animation. But if you get the timing just right, this screen is going to flash white, indicating that you got the Black Flash. Again, if you want to watch your character, all that you have to do is watch their legs. As soon as they lean down and they are ready to kick, that's when you press Black Flash. And if you are able to tap Black Flash right as their leg extends to kick the opponent, you will be able to see the special Black Flash animation go off. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Black Flash in Curse Battlegrounds Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.